Okay, now how are we going to use this collaboratively? So I've got a server called Imagearies.com, and I've created three separate WordPress installations, for one for each of these websites. And so it's a kind of a scratch box, a draft area. We can play with both content and themes on this server. So I've got one for Lunchbox Lady here, which happens to have this theme installed. Um, Mostly sample data, but then also I've started to just play around with some real data as well, which I brought from the Lunchbox Lady Facebook page. And then there's Sylvia Hart, as you can see under this subfolder here, and also the Seasonal Garden Cafe. Now, what I'm going to do, and have almost completed, is for each of these WordPress blogs, I've created a username for Sylvia, and she's going to be an administrator here. I'll send her the password. Sorry, Sylvia, I'll send you the password. So I'm just adding you as an administrator on this. So you'll be able to log in um, as you, and then you can just basically play with this website. We can use it to try new things, but also we can use it for training, so that you can become productive as quickly as possible. And then once we're kind of happy with this website, we can export this content to the new hosted server location, wherever you may decide to do that. And we did have that discussion about where we might host these websites. Okay, so I'm just going to test that now and also to show you how the login works. So I'll just log out. Um, okay, so the website address is imagearies.com Seasonal Garden Cafe, or imagearies.com Sylvia Hart, or imagearies.com Lunchbox Lady. And these are draft areas. Okay, so to get to the dashboard, you add wp-admin onto the end of this URL, and that'll take you to a login screen. Sylvia, that's your username, and the password I'll send to you. And that'll take you to the dashboard there, and then you can play to your heart's content. One of the first things that you probably should do is go to Users, Your Profile, and just change your password to something that you're going to be able to easily remember. Do that there, and also that is reasonably strong. Press Update Profile, and you're good to go. You are an administrator, so you've got full control over this website, including being able to delete things. So just be careful with that. Okay, and you'll have the same username and password on these other websites as well. So with this kind of tool set, we should be able to very efficiently get your websites up and running. Okay, thanks very much.